How to restrict someone on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to limit someone's access without blocking or unfriending them. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. From there, tap on the chat of the person you want to restrict. After that, tap their profile name at the top of the conversation to open their profile details. At this point, scroll down and tap Restrict. Following this, the restriction will be applied immediately with no confirmation needed. If you don't see the restrict option there, go back to your inbox, long press on that person's chat, and tap Restrict from the menu that appears. Restricting someone means their messages will be moved to your message requests instead of your main inbox, so their chats will no longer show up as normal conversations. They won't know they've been restricted, and they won't be able to see when you're active or when you've read their messages. That's how you restrict someone on Messenger on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell to stay notified. Catch you in the next one.